What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and have you ever noticed this issue when you try to upload a .svg file on your WordPress? Sorry, you are not allowed to upload this file type. This is because by default WordPress, for a couple of security reasons, does not let us to upload .svg files. So you need to apply support to our WordPress website in order to be capable of uploading those files. And this is exactly what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Then go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, go to your browser address bar and type your domain plus wp-admin, okay? Once into this, you're gonna need to enter your username or email and password in order to access your WordPress dashboard, okay? Once right here, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of the screen, there is a field called search plugins. Click and type SVG Support, okay? SVG Support. Click on install now. Then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and here is the SVG plugin. Click on settings. And right here, you can see some introduction, some settings of who can upload the files, yes, minify SVG, load from CSS, up to you and to your needs, okay? There is a couple of optimization options. You can get support, you can hate the plugin. There is some basic uses, okay? Then, what you can do, go back to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over media, hit the submenu add media file. Right here, click on select file, and you're gonna be able to upload your .svg file with no problem, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!